I've been with the Oeschberghof Resort since August of 2017. I was here when the spa was first built. I saw what it looked like when it was newly completed. We introduced Grander water here already in 2004. Every tap at our resort produces Grander water. In the kitchen, spa, hotel rooms, golf course, everywhere. Naturally, water is a critical component, especially in our spa facilities. We have large pools, an indoor pool, and an outdoor pool 20 meters in length. Our ice room is a unique attraction. You can see the water grow right from the center, like stalagmites. Guests can use this room to cool off after sweating in the sauna. As a general observation, the use of chlorine could be reduced. The chlorine used is also less noticeable. You don't have this typical chlorine smell often found in pools. Guests also notice that they need less shampoo and shower gel. The skin feels pleasant and comfortable. And after bathing, the skin does not go dry.
What I have noticed, when we use Grander, the water is softer. This increases its cleaning effect. When you wash salad, the salad stays fresh for much longer.
In 2006, we installed drinking fountains, from which guests can directly get Grander water. The drinking fountains are very popular, and more people turn to them. That does not only apply to guests, but also to our staff members.